party coat.
Thank you.
Carl, whatever you had last year.
Oh, that's from Uncle Bri.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Thank you, Uncle Bri.
You're welcome.
Luke, come on.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Aiden, you've got a computer! Like Mommy's computer! Look at this!
Brian?
It's your own computer! We'll set it up in my office, okay? You don't like it?
I love you. Just stop trying to buy me these hats, please. What's wrong with the hat?
It's sweet. You don't like it?
Let's see, put
I
it
just
on.
love you.
Try it on. Try it on.
He was very excited about that. Put it on.
Oh, I like it.
Oh, nice.
Awesome.
You got your own computer, Aiden. I can't believe this. You're going to be working with me. When you get home from Miss Linda's, you can come up and work with me, okay? On the computer, you can play. There's games.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, this is nice. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We're going to have to, okay, wait, we're going to take a break. 'Cause
Nice.
Daddy has some more gifts. And we're going to give
nice.
Daddy some more gifts. See,
I can wear this.
that's for your, no belong. That's yours.
What is it?
It's light. It goes around your head.
Oh, cool.
Goes right here.
Thank you, Mama.